The Midland Service Center is the absolute heart and soul of what we do.
From field service, pump repair, flow iron inspection, the frac stack services, rental services. We stock a full variety of parts from flow iron to pump parts and expendables.
Everything that you need, from the point that you need on the well, all the way back to your blender, we will provide.
We are very strategically located where we can support the Midland Basin, the Delaware Basin, the Central Basin, anything in between.
Customer calls, any direction, we can be there within an hour on location with the customer. They have a problem at 2 a.m., we're there. They have a problem at 3 p.m., we're there.
Our technicians are trained and ready to work in any situation that we put them in.
We go through OEM training on a constant basis. We're constantly trying to evolve, learn things new. We also do monthly trainings. Maybe it's a refresher, maybe it's something new.
They're not just making sure the job goes smooth, but they're making sure that the customer on site gets everything they need when they need it. We really make them feel like they have dedicated support.
Customers choose SPM because of our flexibility and because we're willing to go above and beyond.
Being reliable, being available, being dependable. That's what really allows us to create a long-time relationship with our customers.
We're not just rebuilding, we're diagnosing, troubleshooting, and preparing for the future.